her business is called FIXY, and it has the cutest story. So this is a subscriber and her mom that watched together, and the daughter emailed about her mom's business. So FIXY started with the idea of what if we could fix our broken makeup instead of just throwing it away. So that's exactly what they do. They sell these little kits to help you fix your own makeup, which I think is so brilliant, because there is nothing more sad than spending like $40 on a foundation and then it shatters. I use it anyway usually, but now I have an actual solution. So they have a couple different kits, and it basically depends on if your makeup is a circle or if your makeup is a square. Look at this packaging. Wow, I was expecting like a little bit more like DIY vibes, but this is like so beautiful and professional. Okay, this is actually amazing. So we're gonna learn how to do this together. I have here busted blush. The blush is usually the victim of my travels. And we're gonna try to fix it. Oh gosh, it's a bad one. What the heck? I was not expecting this. Wow. Okay, this is so cool. So you have an actual little like machine to help you fix it, and then a new palette for your fixed makeup to live in. This is so brilliant. Okay, step one, dump your broken makeup onto the screen. Great. Okay, now we take our grinder and grind it through the screen. Now we have our little presser thing, and we're gonna dump our powder in. Nice. Probably have enough to make like 1.5 blushes. Level it out as best we can. Okay, now we're gonna dampen it with our spray. 4 sprays, it says. Place lid and press firmly for 10 seconds. Ta-da! That's pretty good! Wow! Okay, and then you just take it, and our little palette here is magnetic, so you can fit like a bunch of these little guys in here. This is brilliant and so aesthetic. Wow, a fixed blush. This is amazing, Jill! I'm so impressed.